are at the bottom of Glen Burney Falls in a thunderstorm. It has been raining like cats and dogs. We didn't think we were going to make it to the bottom. We are soaking wet. My honey made it. It's going to be a long walk back up. Hopefully the rain will let up eventually. But it allowed us to see the falls in the most dramatic fashion. The video, I'm sure, does not do it justice. Oh yeah, there has been frequent deadly lightning also. That's been fun. Hopefully the rain will let up as we start the trek back up there.